America's soft power blunder, dismantling RFA and VOA undermines Indo-Pacific strategy. The Trump administration's decision to eliminate federal funding for Radio Free Asia RFA and Voice of America VOA represents a profound miscalculation in its Indo-Pacific policy, one that could significantly erode US soft power and embolden authoritarian regime. With Washington intensifies its strategic competition with Beijing, shuttering the very institution that support free press and counter disinformation is closed, society appear not only counterintuitive but self-defeating, a war on journalism or an ideological purge. The administration's hostility towards USAGM stems from a broader distrust of independent media. During his first term, Trump appointed Michael Peck to lead the agency, a move widely seen as an effort to exert editorial control. Although federal law prohibited political interference with VOA content, Trump viewed this institution as a flaw, not a future. In his second term, he appeared determined to go further, not reforming the system, but dismantling it altogether. A dangerous precedent of US value. This is more than a media story. It's a question of value. By dismantling RFA and VOA, the US concedes one of its most powerful moral high ground, the campaigning of free speech and a free press. The move not only enables authoritarian state to operate with impunity but also undermines the legitimacy of US criticism of censorship and human rights abuses abroad. In the face of rising digital authoritarianism by hybrid warfare, soft power tools like RFA and VOA are not luxurious, they are necessities. Shutting them down reveals a fundamental misreading of modern statecraft and leaves Washington strategically blind in the global information battlefield. Unless reserved, this decision will be remembered as a colossal blunder, an unforced error that empowers adversaries, betrays allies, and silences truth tellers in the world's darkest corner. Thank you for watching PNP World News.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.